Hi everyone, I am the Winter Bunny and today I'll be showing you how to make glossy and clicky slime. So let's get started. You will need some white PVA glue, I'm using 2, clear glue, 2 activators, your regular one and your clear, something to mix in and something to mix with, optional some food coloring, and a container to store your slime in. So start by pouring in as much PVA glue as you want. So I just used 2 types to try and make it a little thicker, and add 1/3 of clear glue. I added too much. You can add some lotion, it's optional. And here I poured in some food coloring and just mix it all. Once it looks like this, start using your weaker activator. And mix well. Keep adding in your weaker activator until it starts to look something like this. Then that's when you start using your normal activator. Once it looks like this, you can go ahead and start kneading with your hands. I would recommend using the weaker activator when it's still sticky. Once it looks something like this, put it in your container and leave it for 2 days for the maximum glossiness. So here is my result after 1 day. I'm sure if you actually leave it longer than 2 days, you'll get an even glossier slime. And now you're done. So remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe and share. Bye!